Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your VW Passat with a dead battery. First, locate the hidden keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It is often concealed by a small plastic cap. Gently pry off this cap to reveal the keyhole. Then, insert your mechanical key and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the door. This simple step grants you access to the vehicle's interior, even with no power. Once inside, your next step is to open the hood to access the battery. Locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly to release the primary latch. Then, move to the front of the car and find the secondary safety latch, usually under the hood center. Push this latch to fully open the hood, then secure it with the prop rod. With the hood open, it is time to prepare for a jump start. First, position a working vehicle with a charged battery close enough for the jumper cables to reach. Connect one red positive cable clamp to the positive terminal of your dead Passat battery. Then, attach the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. This establishes the positive connection between the two vehicles. Now, complete the circuit by connecting the remaining black negative cable. Attach it to a clean, unpainted metal part of your Passat's engine block, away from the battery. Start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge your battery slightly. Then, try starting your Passat for no more than 10 seconds. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order you connected them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.